Come with me to style 4 outfits for 4 moods at a brand new Trends Jorhat. And trust me, this store has it all. Wow, just look at this space. This is fresh, this is stylish, and this is filled with collection that are perfect for every vibe. For brunch with friends, this look is relaxed yet chic, and it is the kind of outfit that makes you feel put together without even trying. For office days, I love something polished and smart because it gives confidence, it feels powerful, and it keeps you ready for anything. And when it is time to celebrate, this look is festive and modern, and it is perfect for lighting up the room. And of course, for party night, you need something bold, stylish, and fun because this is all about making a statement. So, whatever your mood, Jorhat Trends has you. And trust me, you are going to love every corner of this store.